Hey, welcome to new video. Today we are covering the real estate lead generation series part 5. As you see, I am talking about click.in, this portal, and this is the free classified portal like OLX, Quicker, Sulika. You might be thinking what I am doing. For a beginner, I am working as a coach, so I need to give them multiple platforms to test with the real estate listings and get a result. So each and every portal will give you a different result, and you will get shortlisted options to go for the premium one. So चलते हैं click in dot click.in पे आपको जाना है. Then it will ask you select city automatically. If you are surfing from your laptop or mobile it will say download the app or install the app. Here we need to sign up as a regular. We'll go with the Abhijit account. Password I'll keep it short. Confirm password. Okay. 252530. Okay. Let me sign up. I have clicked and they said they have sent me an email address. Let me check my email. Few portals will ask you OTP for your mobile verification, and few will go with the these things. We can say email verification. Here I might log in with the another account. I need to log out. Let me sign in with the Avijit's account. So uh, I'll sign out from my personal account, and here I'll continue with the this account. You can say okay, I need to enter password. Let me try. Yeah, this is the password, and we might got email from click.in. Once verified, we can start posting. So you can say earlier last video I have registered with the click india, and I got an email. So click in, I am continuing. You just follow me, do whatever I am doing in this video. And once see, here I'll show you. Congratulations, your account has been successfully activated. So let's continue with the post your ad, and you need to select say maximum portal will show you real estate only, because real estate listings are paid everywhere, so they wanted to promote. Otherwise other categories you will find it on every portals, but real estate they are promoting. Here I'll go for the PG accommodations, because we never done listing in the last series. In this series, in the last video, I'll go with the upload photo. I'll upload the same logo or something. I'll go with this quicker logo. Then choose a type as a single occupancy, sharing basis, or all. So I'll do one thing. I'll go with the all. Let me try the more options. Here locality, I'll go with the Pune only. Akodi landmark no, accepted male female. PG आप जानते हो ना कि एक शेयरिंग बेसिस पे एक अपार्टमेंट लिया होता है, एंड देन यू कैन शेयर दी कॉट बेसिस, और multiple people can accommodate and pay combinedly or sharing basis. So I'll say male price, it is negotiable 5,000. Let's say as per Akodi locations. Title we can say two male males required in PG Akodi. It's clear, simple. furnished 2 BHKs room, 2 BHK. We are looking for roommates and cost per person is 5,000. You can write anything, huh? Or like we can say multiple things. Here I am not putting my mobile number as it is not mandatory. I am listing as an agent. An agent contact me. Okay, I don't want any other agent contact me for this property. And here we have posted. See here, they'll show you packages. They are much cheaper than the OLX and quicker, but you will get this one. So you can say type of ad, free posting. Like here I'll show you free ad, premium ad to 1 month validity. Here uh, they are asking us leads package, premium packages and premium ads. So I'll guide you. I'll recommend you to go with the free listings only. Let's try it, test it. If you are getting the satisfied result, then you can continue with the premium package. So hope you have mm, getting what I would like to say. Let's try multiple locations, then only you can get to know which one is working for you. Some people might be thinking these are the free classifieds, everyone will go for this. No, you, as per experience and feedback, everyone shortlisted their video. Someone likes quicker OLX only, and few people like click India or click in. So it differ as per the experience and the result they got from the portal. So let's begin with start your listing. You need 3 4 properties. You can list that properties on a multiple platforms, and let's close it. Let's get some money in your pocket and then start upgrading. I'll recommend you to try each and every portal before uh, converting your package to premium one, because once you get paid, uh, you cannot switch or alter your package with the competitors. So be careful and take wise decision. Once again, Rohit Gaikwad here, your रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट, कोच, स्पीकर एंड पब्लिश्ड ऑथर. आप अगर रियल एस्टेट प्रोफेशनल्स हो, entrepreneurs हो, स्टूडेंट, aspirant या एक्सपर्ट हो, then you can consider enrolling my real estate leads generation courses like lead generation blueprint and lead generation mastery, where you will get the selected ways, 10 to 12 ways, getting qualified high converting leads, and for, we can say, a very competitive price. You will get surprise bonuses, and you can enroll for my VIP membership free of cost. Just go through rohitgaikwad.com/VIP. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy real estate.